Hello everyone, we are from Group 2 are going to make a review on 5 educational tools. The first educational tools that I'm going to make a review of is YouTube. YouTube is actually a website that can enable us to upload and download video at the same time. We can also watch online video through YouTube. So how does this YouTube can make students' life easier? First, we go into the YouTube first, and then as you can see, if I want to search about router, modem and switch, there are plenty of videos that are explaining about them. Secondly, in this YouTube there are also a group of people that are making their own videos explaining about something. Just for instance, fungi classifications. As you can see, there is one person that is explaining about fungi here. So it means that it's like a online tutor for us. For us as a student, it is so convenient. Besides, for the features of this YouTube is we have the features of button trending. This button shows us what are the videos that have been viewed most, and the subscriptions button. If you are interested in any channels that we have watched, we can subscribe to it and then we can have notifications from them later. We can also have our library that we are going to either have our videos here or have an unwatched video. We can also have button of activity where our notification will be on here. So that's all from YouTube. Our next review is about LinkedIn Learning. It is actually an online learning platform for those students and organizations to develop their skills. So we just need to search for it in Google. Then click on it. And as you can see, for our first month of joining, it will be free. So let me show you what is actually this LinkedIn Learning is all about. These are the courses or the fields that have been covered by the LinkedIn Learning, either in business, creative, technology. There are so many courses under these three main components. We can also search for it. If there is no any of our choice here, we can search for any skills, subjects or software here. So in order to use this website, we need to register first and then we can start using it. It is so convenient that because it covers almost all part of the educational needs for the students.
Have you ever imagined of having an application that we can use it to chat with online tutors anywhere and anytime? Or an application that we can use it to share our learnings and readings instruments to the world? Say no more, now we have the Course Hero applications. The Course Hero applications is a very convenient application that you can obtain it from Play Store or App Store. From these applications, we can ask questions to the online tutors. As you can see, there are 273 tutors that are online right now. And also you can upload document. It means that you can upload any of your lecture notes or your notes to this apps, and then you can share it with everyone. And also you can also search for any types of information, just like I'm going to search for microbiology. So here we are. There are plenty of microbiology notes, and as you can see, there is 89,741 results that is found from my search of microbiology. But then, if you want to have these notes, you can either have it by paying for the fees as annual fees. There is $99 per year, or you can just upload any of your documents so that you can have this document. It's just like a win-win situation here. Next, you can have a library. Library is where you can keep your documents and your questions And also you can add a course that you can make it easier for you to search for anything that is relatable to you. And then that's all for me.
Elite is actually a web-based educational tool that we can use it to view announcements and download lecture notes and also submit assignment. In order to log in into this Elite page, we're going to need a device with a data connections and a Unimas ID. Then we are all set to go. So now I'm going to search for the Unimas Elite here. Click on it. And as you can see, I have already logged in into my Unimas Elite page because I've made it by default. And there are plenty of courses that I've taken for this semester, but I'm going to show you one of the courses in order to show the features of this Elite. So for the first features that we can view announcement, as you can see, there is a announcement made for this MPU 3412 ICT competency first class. So we can view it here. And from this announcement, we can know that the first class will start on the second week on Thursday, 22nd February. And then, for the second features, that is, we can download lecture note from here. For example, lecture note, the internet and the World Wide Web, part 1. So we just need to click on it. And we just need to wait for it to be downloaded. And now, as we can see, boom, the full version of the lecture note is on my screen right now. With just one click, one click. And then for the third features is that we can submit assignment from here. Okay, for instance, this group assignment, I just need to click on it. And then we know that the due date for this assignment is on Wednesday, 28 March and 2018. And then the time remaining is just 2 days and 18 hours. So I just need to click on the add submissions. And I'm going to upload anything that is required for this assignment to be done. Either it is a video, PDF, or even a documents. And just save the changes. And then we have submitted the assignment. So that is what actually Elite is all about. And I found this Elite page is so convenient for students, as it would ease the student's life to make it easier for the student to do assignments, study, and submit the assignment.
For our last review is about Scripty. Scripty is actually a digital library, ebooks, and also audiobooks. It offers a service of subscriptions to over 1 million of titles. So let's see. And as you can see, it needs a subscription, but for the first 30 days it will be free and we can cancel anytime. So let me show you what does it actually cover. The interest that this Scripty covered is actually career and money, personal growth, politics and current affairs, science and tech, health and fitness, lifestyle, entertainment, biography and history, and also fiction. And then it browses by books, articles, audiobooks and documents. It means that any search that you are going to search is based on books, articles, audiobooks and also documents. We can also upload our documents and books and so on. And as you can see, this kind of website is so convenient and useful for students, as it covers a very large of fields. We have from career to and money until the fictions field. So I do believe that this kind of Scripty is so important and so convenient for the students to use for their study.
So that's all for me today. Thank you.